Unleashing creativity. Embrace the steel, like an artist philosophy. Do you want to unleash your creativity? Then learn how to steal like an artist and transform your approach to innovation and inspiration. Discover the secrets of creative minds today. Pablo Picasso, a name synonymous with innovation, once famously said, "Good artists borrow, great artists steal." This philosophy blurs the lines between inspiration and innovation, guiding us towards the genesis of creativity. He didn't just create art, he created a new lens through which we view the world, challenging us to see beyond the canvas of tradition. The roots of the steal like an artist mentality are deeply embedded in the art world, tracing back to masters like Picasso. It's a testament to the idea that originality doesn't spring from nothingness, but grows from the seeds of what has been. This concept encourages us to embrace the past, to weave it into the fabric of something refreshingly new, yet familiar. Understanding the ethical boundaries of creativity is crucial in distinguishing stealing in art. It's not about copying verbatim, but about absorbing the essence of works that move us, transforming them into something uniquely ours. This delicate dance between influence and innovation asks us not just to look at art, but to see through it, to find ourselves in the reflection of others' genius. Picasso's techniques, from cubism to collage, revolutionized modern art, laying the groundwork for the steal like an artist philosophy. His bold experimentation and willingness to draw from various sources inspired a movement that transcends time. Today, it serves as a beacon for artists seeking to dismantle the old to build the new, urging creators to transform inspiration into groundbreaking innovation. Breaking down the concept of steal like an artist for contemporary creators offers a liberating perspective on creativity. It's an invitation to embark on a journey of discovery, where each piece of art, each moment in history, becomes a stepping stone to unparalleled originality. This approach doesn't just allow for creative breakthroughs, it demands them, pushing us to explore the uncharted territories of our imagination. In the realm of creativity, embracing the steal like an artist philosophy has propelled countless artists to success. Their journeys, rich with borrowed influences, serve as beacons, guiding emerging talents towards harnessing the power of inspiration. Through their stories, we discern the delicate dance of making the old anew, proving that innovation is often cloaked in familiarity. Understanding the psychology behind steal like an artist unveils the secret ingredient to creative breakthroughs: connection. By intertwining diverse inspirations, artists unlock unprecedented realms of creativity, where ideas flow unbounded, fostering an environment ripe for groundbreaking work. With the right tools and strategies, anyone can ethically navigate the art of influence. It's about learning the nuances of borrowing with integrity, ensuring that what we take is transformed through our unique lens, thereby contributing to the cycle of creativity rather than merely replicating. Culture and context play pivotal roles in interpreting steal like an artist. What might be seen as imitation in one setting can emerge as revolutionary in another, underscoring the significance of understanding the broader cultural implications of our creative endeavors. Navigating the legal labyrinth of copyright laws with steal like an artist in mind challenges creators to find harmony between inspiration and originality. It's a delicate balance, ensuring that our tributes to the muses of the past don't infringe on the rights of their modern-day guardians, paving the way for a future where creativity flourishes, unrestricted by fear of legal retribution. In an age where digital technology seamlessly blends with art, the steal like an artist practice has found new ground. This era has democratized creativity, allowing artists to explore and remix works from across the globe with just a click. The digital realm is a vast ocean of inspiration, where borrowing and transforming ideas fuels a continuous cycle of innovation. Adopting the steal like an artist mindset in non-artistic fields has sparked a revolution of innovation through inspiration. By looking outside their immediate disciplines, professionals can uncover groundbreaking solutions. This approach encourages a cross-pollination of ideas, proving that the essence of creativity knows no boundaries and can lead to extraordinary breakthroughs in any field. Balancing originality with inspiration is the soul of the steal like an artist approach. It's about honoring the past, embracing the present, and dreaming into the future. This delicate equilibrium ensures that while artists may start with an idea that isn't originally their own, the end product is unmistakably unique, a testament to their personal journey and creative evolution. Predicting the future of creativity in light of the steal like an artist mentality brings forth an image of boundless possibilities. As artists continue to draw from a richer, more connected world, the fusion of ideas will propel us into new creative dimensions. The future shines bright with the promise of art that transcends traditional boundaries, inviting us to imagine without limits. Overcoming creative blocks with the steal like an artist mindset is akin to finding a key to an unopened door. It teaches us that inspiration is everywhere, waiting to be discovered and transformed. This approach reassures creators that it's okay to lean on the brilliance of others as they carve their path through the creative wilderness, reminding us that in the world of art, we are eternally students and endlessly teachers. Curating your influences is akin to selecting the colors for your masterpiece. By carefully choosing those who inspire you, you craft a unique palette from which your original work will emerge, vibrant and distinct. Embracing the steal like an artist philosophy as a teaching methodology opens doors to endless creativity. It encourages students to explore and assimilate varied influences, fostering a breeding ground for innovation and originality. Criticisms and controversies of steal like an artist stir a crucial dialogue about creativity's boundaries. Yet, they also highlight the importance of understanding and respecting the fine line between inspiration and imitation. Building a personal brand while navigating the steal like an artist approach demands authenticity. It's about weaving your inspirations into something unmistakably yours, showing the world a new way to see the familiar. From Picasso to you, the journey of steal like an artist is a testament to creativity's evolution. It's not just about where you take ideas from, but where you take them to, transforming your creative life.